guys. You know, the classic New Year's resolution of getting back in shape. And I'd say just starting off easy with some stretching. But I don't know about you, but I'm exhausted already. So maybe we can do something stretchy yet more fun. Gujitsu Hero Creator? Well, only one way to find out how this works. Let's open it up! Welcome to Z's Toybox. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And this week we are bringing you Heroes of Gujitsu Hero Creator. Must you while filming. This is by some of our favorite people, Moose, the Magic Mixie people, and I believe also the food plushy people. So okay. I guess we will save directions. Alright, starting off, we got Blazigon. They do make a couple of the hero creators. I, of course, had to go with the Angry Red Fire Dragon. Now already, just without any goo in it, it's, a stretchy thing. So, how, oh dear, that's a lot of steps. Take his head right off. Okay, I've decapitated the Dragon Man, and then the body goes in here. This is like legit some kind of mad scientist lab, and I am 100% here for it. And now we have two, it's kind of cool. Again, Moose is really good with making fun packaging. So it actually looks like some, I don't know, canisters of different goo. So this one looks like, I don't know, red balls and black bones. And they're kind of squishy, rubber bones. That's fun. And we put these right in the exoskeleton, I don't know, skin suit, the husk. And there's no pleasant way of describing this. They're cool, they're like plastic marbles. Put those in there too. Now, there's one piece, like one cap that we screw in. Whatever this is. Oh. Oh my god. Now this gets inserted here. Oh, okay. Oh god. Oh, I think I've angered it. And then there's the kind of extra safety cap. Pop the head back on. We have a fully filled Gujitsu. Oh, if you can actually see all the goo and the extra, oh my god, like the bones, that, is actually really cool. Oh, the pants are not attached. I just pants our dragon friend. Oh dear. Overall, it was a short process. I thought it would take longer, but it was oddly satisfying. I guess in theory, if you had one of those, the more you collected, the more different pieces you could interchange and like choose how to decorate their guts, which is a weird thing to say, but we'll just add that to the list of weird things said on this show. Well, thank you so much for tuning in, and make sure you check us out next time for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More resolution-based, gooey, stretchy, very wet mess. Actually, this is my workout. This is like those resistance bands. Do a couple reps of this and I'm good. I'm gonna break something. See you next time. Bye! And here we have Blazigon, our Gujitsu hero maker with all of his glittery, gooey, gutsy goodness. Yeah, that sounds normal.